Hello, welcome to English for Construction. Let's get started with the day number 26, construction solution. Okay, here we go. Problem. Something that causes difficulty or that is hard to deal with. One problem is solved, another is just around the corner. Solution. An answer to a problem. The engineers come up with a clever solution. Solve. To find an answer to a problem. There are three issues that need to be solved. Channel. A passage for water or other liquids to flow along, or part of a river or other area of water that is deep and wide enough to provide a route for ships to travel along. Ditches were constructed to channel water away from the buildings. House. To give a person a place to live. Upon completion, Capital Gate will house the 5-star hotel and additional office space. Problem. Solution. Solve. Channel. House. One problem is solved, another is just around the corner. The engineers come up with a clever solution. There are three issues that need to be solved. Ditches were constructed to channel water away from the buildings. Upon completion, Capital Gate will house the 5-star hotel and additional office space. Okay, good. As always, watch this video as much as you can. And remember to click subscribe button below to learn more about English for construction.